Jamaican community. I will also, let me repeat it. I would like to say to the whole Jamaican community. I got a chance to speak to a few Jamaicans last night that were had inboxed me in TikTok, that was personal, that inboxed me. I had a few people that inboxed in Jamaica. Is that I don't know if I said it the wrong way. I think I said it the wrong way because you didn't take it the wrong way because the way I said it. But what I meant with the Jamaican food thing is that we went to Jamaica and we stayed on a resort. When we got to Jamaica and we got to the resort, we tried to use our debit cards and stuff at different stores and stuff like that in Jamaica, and it wouldn't allow us to use it because we was out of the U.S. So therefore, we were stuck at this resort that we were staying on. So when I mentioned and said the Jamaican food was disgusting, I was talking about the resort food that we stayed at was disgusting.
Okay, Miss Netta. If you're talking about the resort that you were staying, you have all rights to voice your opinions. You have all the rights to do so. But in your previous video, because this is the apology video, but in the video that you bring our Jamaican food down, you mentioned even the KFC, you said was generic. So how does that come in the food that you get at the resort? Oh, they serve Kentucky there? Oh, really? Everyone is really entitled to their own opinions, but there are some people that you just don't mess with. Jamaicans are one of them. Yes, and they're not so quick to take your apology. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about Miss Netta apology.